Hopefully, this video series has helped to convince you of the importance of energy and maintaining and managing it throughout the day. On top of that, though, you hopefully now have a more complete picture of precisely what dictates your energy levels and how that impacts on your ability to work, train, and enjoy life in your downtime. It comes down to management, to planning, and being smart about your routine. But it's also a matter of understanding the biology that dictates the way you feel and how you can subtly influence that to get the best from yourself. But now comes the hard part, adapting that information to help you fit it in your own life and your own routine. It's worth it though. Get this right, and you'll be far more productive at work, far happier at home, and much healthier.